Hi traders, it's weekend and it's deep explanation time. So what's going on traders? I tell you what's going on. First of all, the risk warning. Your invested capital might be at risk. Don't trade with money you cannot afford to lose. And this video is not an investment advice. And when you are already on my channel, subscribe. Yes, click on the subscribe button immediately before you have seen and heard anything. So what happened? So let me do some kind of topic overview. Yes, what I have prepared for you. Today, again, a trading psychology part, which will be how to become a consistently profitable trader by understanding the EISENHOWER matrix. Yes, the EISENHOWER matrix is something what I'm using already for a long time. That is why so many of you are asking me always, Benjamin, how are you able, yes, to do so much, yes, to be this overachiever, yes, this high achieving person, this high performer, yes? How do you manage your time, your priorities, and so on? And today I give you this kind of knowledge about this. It's not something new. Most probably you have heard this about another name, yes? But at the end you need to understand this, and I make it today really clear, yes, what's about, yes, why you are not becoming consistently profitable trader, because you don't understand the EISENHOWER matrix. And I see this in my BOTT Mentorship program. I see this on the Discord channel from the BOTT Price Action indicator. I see this everywhere, yes, that most of you have no priority, and this kind of tool, yes, this kind of matrix will help you to understand where you have to focus on. So that's number one. The number two is another fake breakout and pressure reading like a pro based on the Bollinger Bands and the EMAs. Again, some trades of my students which gone wrong, yes, and again, explanations which kind of trades would have been better and which one not. So, and then, if you are already here on this channel, what do you have to do? Yes, click on the subscribe button and let the bell ring, yes. So, what is the point? So, before I'm gonna go in the last week prediction and the next week prediction, because I'm a little bit, how can I say this? I'm not so happy. Yes, why I'm not so happy? Because something happened, and I will explain this in the next week prediction or last week prediction. So first of all, those one who have the IQ option payout limitations, the payout percentage limitations, the 30, the 48, and the 61, yes, and you have the OTC limitation, yes, then send me an email with the subject IQ option, because I know how you can get rid of it. Yes, send me simply this kind of email, and then you can get rid of it. There are not anymore so many who get affected by this kind of stuff, because they got rid of those one who scammed, yes. So the next one, for those one who want to get the BOTT Price Action indicator, yes, the doors are nearly closed. Yes, there are only a few spots. It doesn't help if you are sending me 200 emails. Yes, the doors are nearly closed. Yes, those one who get the BOTT Price Action indicator, send me an email with the subject BOTT indicator. Yes, and then you get the possibility if you are lucky. But I tell you this, yes, it's not anymore so easy to get into it. Yes, or somebody is jumping off. Yes, or you have no possibility to get into it, and it doesn't help if you are sending me 2,000 emails. Yes, that shows me only how needy you are, and that has no sense. Okay, if you are lucky, take the chance. If you are not lucky, take it like it is. Okay, so then those one who want the money back from IQ option, you can request the investment recovery. The investment recovery, don't send me your credentials, don't send me your login and your password. You don't need to send me your credentials, your login and your password. You don't need to send me money, you don't need to deposit money, you don't need to do anything. Yes, the only thing what you have to do is only sending me an email with the subject investment recovery and providing the information which I'm requesting. Yes, and they are not the credentials, yes, because I will not trade for you. I tell you this immediately. That is not my job. So then, for those one who want to get into the BOTT team, yes, you can still apply for it. The application is paused, but it will continue as soon I have fixed a lot of other priority stuff. Yes, then send me an email with the subject job to my email address boturbotrader@gmail.com. For those one who have any kind of suggestion, I tell this again and again and again, don't do the suggestions in the comment section. Send me an email with a subject suggestion and tell me what you need. And the more detailed you do this, better are the chances that I do this video, yes? Because when you are telling me only one sentence, yes, I don't want to, I will not do a video about this, yes, because I have almost covered everything in my videos. Watch my videos instead of suggesting anything. So then those one who find my stuff somewhere else, yes, send me an email with the subject copyright to my email address boturbotrader@gmail.com. Yes, and when I get rid of them, you get the money reward. And those one who want to join the BOTT Mentorship program, and you have to hurry here also. Yes, the time is going by. Yes, and most of the students get propelled out. Yes, then send me an email with the subject BOTT Mentorship program. If you want the video about the how to read the trend like a pro, which are those videos based on which I'm doing now, send me an email with the subject video to my email address boturbotrader@gmail.com, and then I will send you the 7-minute video which is explaining you how to read the trend like a pro based on the Bollinger Band and the EMAs. Then those one who want to get their hands on the win ratio simulator, yes, which I'm showing so often, send me an email with the subject win ratio. And when you want to get the BOTT money management tool, yes, based on the Mazzaniello, yes, send me an email with the subject MM for the Mazzaniello BOTT Mazzaniello tool, yes, the BOTT money management. So, and now, the last week prediction, why I'm a little bit pissed, because last week prediction was based on the last candlestick which was created. The last candlestick was an inverted bullish hammer with a closing price, yes, with a closing price on the high of this candlestick. Over the weekend, yes, I don't know, while the market was closed, the candlestick changed. Yes, and it changed from this inverted bullish hammer, which was showing buying pressure, where I was predicting obviously a bullish candle because that was the correct one. Yes, it changed into this kind of candlestick, yes, which was obviously showing selling pressure, yes, because nobody would enter in this kind of, after this kind of candlestick, into a call if we have a major downtrend, yes, and we are still below the 1 deviation. That is the thing where I'm a little bit pissed. Yes, but it is not a problem, yes, because at the end that are things what can happen, because that is why I should do these videos at Monday. Yes, on Monday you have already the right candlestick, and then you can do the prediction obviously better. But anyway, the prediction on the last week, yes, based on the inverted bullish hammer, which I have explained, which was closing here, was also correct. Yes, the technical analysis was correct. So in this case, it would have been a bullish candle if the candlestick would have closed like this bullish candlestick. Obviously, the closing of any kind of last candlestick is affecting, yes, the technical analysis. Yes, and in this case, I cannot change it anyway. So now, obviously, we have here a second touch of the second retouch. So now is coming something what so many are telling always. Yes, they are telling me always, Benjamin, yes, this candlestick was showing selling pressure or buying pressure, and that is the only reason why they do any kind of trade. Yes, only based on the pressure. Yes, here we have a little bit more buying pressure than selling pressure. Yes, so and we have obviously also 1, 2, 3. Black crows, yes, but the thing is this, yes, because of the pullback in form of this kind of evening star, yes, and that is a nice evening star, and why we didn't got the reversal and we are still in the downtrend also, and we are still close to the 2 deviation, I will say for the next week prediction that we go further down. Yes, because most of you are trading always the 3 black crows like they blindly, and they expect that then after this will happen some kind of retracement. Yes, but I tell you something. Here I have to move this because I was shocked when I have seen that this candlestick finished different from that what I have shown you last week. Yes, on Saturday. Okay, so that is the next week prediction. I want to show you something what have done the BOTT Price Action indicator. That are still the signals which I have shown you already, because in the weeks they are not changing so much. But look at this. Yes, what has done the BOTT price action indicator here? Let me see, here are the signals which are generated. Yes, and we have here, look at this. After this kind of 3 white soldiers, yes, we have here the minor down, which was also a nice trade here in the direction of the major trend. And that are things, that are trades which you can execute simply on simply on Forex too. You see, a daily chart. You enter into this trade, yes, and then you let it run. Yes, minor down, yes, means minor downtrend. If the minor downtrend is equal with the major downtrend, yes, then you can let it run and then you take profit. So easy. So let me show you something to show you that we are going on the same stuff here. Also here on MT4, you see here we have the minor down. You see, but also some of the concepts are still not implemented. Yes. Here we have a pressing line pattern, here we have a lower low, it's a daily chart here. Yes, here you have the minute chart, here that are the gaps up. Here we have 3 white soldiers, the second version, here we have 3 black crows, the first version. Here we have it out of the money, that can happen. Yes, and here we have also this kind of gaps up, which are heading here. Here we have the reversal call. Yes, here we have a nice pullback. Another nice exhaustion candle breakout. Yes. Then we have here a reversal call, which is not the best one, but at the end it's still a doji. If you have a good entry point, you get it in the money. And then we have here another out of the money. What have we here? Here we have huge candle 1, huge candle 1. Yes, on the daily chart they are giving good signals. Huge candle 1, lower low. Yes, really nice. Here we have a losing trade. I don't know what it was. So let me see here. Engulfing 1. Higher high, higher low, engulfing 1. That are the versions which here we have a minor up which is going wrong. So that is the version which will come up soon, not this week. Yes, the 1.7.6 will come up most probably next weekend. Yes, but only to show you that we are getting already the signals. Yes, the signals equal to those one which are here on the IQ option script. Yes. So that you can see that we are working on that pretty nice. And if you want to get in the hands on the BOTT price action indicator, you need to hurry, and you need, obviously, that is what I tell you always, luck. And what is luck? Luck is nothing else than the right action, yes, in the right moment. Yes, that is what you have to do. Yes, and I cannot help you there. So okay, that was this one. You see the nice signals here. So, okay, let's go. And now we are going immediately into the next topic. And that is the BOTT price money winner. So, what do we have here? Okay, so that was the wrong one. So, let me go into the right thing. So, that is this one. So, what did I have prepared for you? Before we are going to start, I would say we make immediately the BOTT. No, we clarify first of all that kind of stuff here. That is a BOTT community page here on the YouTube channel. If you, first, when you are here, click on the subscribe button, yes, and let the bell ring. That is the only thing what I'm requesting from you. Yes, that is all what you have to do, because I will have to tell you something today. I will not make anymore all the videos available to all. Yes, I have to say this because there are too many people who are using my content to scam other people, and that's the reason why I will remove all of my videos. Yes, but slowly, not all at once, but always some of them, so that they will be not anymore accessible for everybody. I have to say this, I'm sorry for this, yes, but this is what I have to do to protect those one, yes, and protect also my content, because the biggest scammers are taking my knowledge, yes, and trying to scam people on this. And to avoid this, yes, I have to put a lock in front of this, so that not everybody is able to get the knowledge. Yes, I'm sorry for this, yes, but that is human behavior, and I have obviously to change it. So if you are on the community page, here you see the feedback about the BOTT price action indicator, the 1.7.4, which was released last week. The 1.7.6 will come soon. Yes, here on the community page, show me some love. Yes, because at the end, yes, I don't know how long I will do this here. So for those one who don't know where to start, you click here on videos, and then you can look for, yes, so you can sort by most popular, date edit, or date edit newest or latest or oldest, yes, and then you can go through it. I have to say that this will be not anymore so possible, yes, as soon I will lock the videos, yes. I'm sorry for this. If you want them, try to download whatever you can download, yes, because soon I will lock them all, yes, but always only a few every week, not all at once, yes. So only that you know this, because I want to be transparent, but I need to obviously to protect my work, and if nobody is appreciating it, and those one are using it to abuse people, yes, and to scam people, then obviously I have to protect this stuff. Okay, so then those one who don't know which kind of playlist they should watch, yes, I can only recommend to you, and that is what you have to do as fast as possible. That is the Deep Explanation Price Action playlist. That is this one. There will be a lot of videos we will block soon. Yes, the mindset for consistent profits, and obviously the trading psychology videos, yes, which will also most probably, yes, blocked soon. Yes, so I'm sorry for this, yes, but I cannot do anything. You are forcing me to this, yes, not you personally, but you as a community, yes, because I see this again and again. There are always some black sheeps, yes, and these black sheeps are ruining everything. And when you are already here on this side, yes, make sure that you subscribe to this channel, yes, to show your love, okay? So, and let the bell ring. So then for those one who don't know how to contact me, yes, and that is also one of the points which I'm getting always mad. So many get scammed, they buy the indicator on the wrong people, yes, who are yes, selling them only a book, and then a bunch of shitty indicators, yes, and then the people are coming to me and crying. I have seen this again in the community, in the comment section, yes. It's not my fault. If you are not responsible for the actions you do, and you are contacting the wrong people on the social media, because I tell this always, if you want to contact me, there is only one way, or you send me an email through boturbotrader@gmail.com. You find the email also here on the about page. In the bottom you find the social media, the official ones, yes, and then you click here on view, yes, email address, then you click here, I'm not a robot, yes, and then you say submit, and that is the only email address which you have to contact. If you are contacting me through social media, make sure that you are contacting me through the legal and official social media accounts that are listed in the YouTube channel here, yes. If you are too lazy to load book for him, then it's your fault that you get scammed, yes. I cannot help you. So, and then obviously for those one who are completely, yes, lost, yes, they can look for Google for boturbotrader. Then you find on the right channel my social media accounts, yes, that are the official one here too, yes, the two books. And here in the middle of this kind of page you find the first glance of my BOTT Price Action guide for those one who have no money and want to look what I'm doing and what I have explained there. Yes, here you find also the other sites, yes, but make sure, yes, make sure that you contact me through email. It will take time because I get more than 200 emails and I have a queue, and I explained this also in the trading psychology video, how I define my priorities. So take, yes, I will not reply immediately, and don't send me 100 emails with the same subject. Yes, if you want the BOTT Price Action indicator, don't send me to 1,000 emails. Yes. Because it will not change anything. It shows me only that you are a kid, yes, that you are a child, that you belong to the kindergarten. Yes, sending me 1,000. I have seen your email. Yes, I have seen your email, but it's not your turn. Understand this? So that's this one, and now we are getting, because I'm already in this kind of mood, we are getting to the BOTT Price Action. Yes, BOTT Price Money winner. So for those one who don't want to listen to everything, yes, you can click here on the intro, and then you can jump to the part which are interested in. Yes, here you see this, for example, the mindset part and how to read the pressure and fake breakout part. That is where you can jump immediately. I tell you something, most of the time you will you will obviously skip important news and important informations, yes, which could help you, but not always. Yes, I'm telling also in between some things which are important, especially when I'm talking about the last week prediction and the next week prediction. Yes, it's almost important to hear this. Yes, because I show you how I read the market. So then, for those one who don't know how to like, yes, here is the like button, and I tell you this also, this 82 likes are showing me that my content is appreciated, not it's not evaluated, and that's the reason why this will make it for me easier to the decision to to block this account for everybody. Yes, because I have understood that you don't value my content, and because you don't value my content, I will not make it anymore accessible to everybody. So easy. Yes. If you like this video, do a like. Yes. If you don't like it, yes, do a thumbs down. I have not a problem with this. If you hate me, do a thumbs down. Yes, it's better than doing nothing. And if you want to do something for your universal karma account, then click on the share button and share this with somebody who could benefit from it. Yes, who could benefit from it. Before you contact me, make sure that you open the show more button here, the description, because most of your questions are answered there. And when you are already here, yes, and then show your love and subscribe. Click on the subscribe button and let the bell ring. Yes, that is the minimum what you could do. So, and now we see who will be the BOTT Price Money winner. So, ago we have 102 comments. So let me see, 102. So who will be the BOTT Price Money winner? One of the BOTT Price Money winners we know already. That is the first, this one who has done the first comment. So, and the second one will be this one. Ooh, what the hell? So, and because it's one, yes, I will do this like this. That will be this one here, yes, because that is me. Yes, and after me, there is coming this guy here. Yes, so Benram Khan, you are the BOTT Price Money winner today. Yes, congratulations. So I will contact you, and then we have Akash. Yes, you are also the BOTT Price Money winner, and you will get also the BOTT Price Money. Congratulations, that was a really fast stuff. Yes, not even to look for it. So now we do first the celebration, and then we can go further. So celebration. So what do we have to celebrate here? 16. So we have number one. Where's this? That is number one. So thank you, sir. Yes, Benram, congratulations for the BOTT Price Money. Yes, and I celebrate with you. Matthias, I celebrate with you too. So can you give a deep explanation of the engulfing patterns? Anna Tito, I have done this video. Yes, that is what I'm getting. I have done this video. I have talked about the strengths of the different engulfing patterns. Go through my list, yes, before I'm gonna block them, and you have not the possibility to watch them again. So then, Hisham, I celebrate with you. I really appreciate you making this video on the psychology part. I'm guilty with charges. That was a great video with a solid trading concepts, how to read it. Yes. I celebrate with you, man. Then we have here motivational videos, which is really consistent, really persistent. I see your comments every day, not every day, every week. I celebrate with you, man. You are a hard achiever. You are also a high performer. That is the reason why I see your comments every time. Yes, that means that you are persistent, and those one who are persistent will getting there. Yes, I know the mouse cursor was not showing. I'm sorry for this. Yes, but I have seen this at the end of the video. There you can see how you can appreciate it when there is a cursor. Okay, to appreciate it. So then, Salam, I celebrate with you. Yes, celebration of the 4th anniversary was already last year in December. Yes, now we have already nearly May. So in this case, it is a little bit late because there was no time to update this kind of image, because at the end it's only an image. So then we have Aniban. Aniban, I celebrate with you. Thanks, BOTT, to teach us such a value lesson. It's helpful to learn about trading. Great work. Yes, I celebrate with you. Aydin, I celebrate with you. 2-3 weeks, I'm thinking about my mind trading problem that I have. I watched them exactly on your next video. I'm very surprised and thankful. Yes, I celebrate with you, man. It's nice that you see that the things are coming together. Then we have here Kilo. I celebrate with you. Kilo BD. yes, I celebrate with you. Then obviously I celebrate with all of them, all of you. Yes, then we have sweet, pain, bitter, sweet. I celebrate with you. Yes, we have Goncalo here. I celebrate with you too. We have Abel. We have Simple Humano. I celebrate with you. So yes, I know that the pointer was not there. Thank you for letting me know. Then Love here. Then we have Enrom. Enrom, I celebrate with you. Abel, thanks for the amazing psychology video master and amazing video. Yes, I celebrate with you. Then Enrom, loves the video you share. Ben, celebrating the hard work and dedication you have toward educating us. Yes, man, that is work ethic. Then we have Ajub. Ajub, I celebrate with you, the godfather of price action and psychology. Thank you. I celebrate with you too. Then we have Abdul. Abdul, I celebrate with you. Man, you are also consistent, always doing your comments. Then we have Ranzika. Ranzika, I celebrate with you too, man. Yes, I'm happy that you got the bot price money and not the scammer. And then we have Georgie. George, yes, I celebrate with you too. So then we have here the bot price money winner. He was the second one. Last week he was second. No. Yes, last week he was not first one. Akash, no. What is this, Akash? That is not funny. Yes, you have here comment and here comment. Yes. And I have to think about if you are really a legit bot price money winner or not. Yes, look at this. What is this here? Yes, so I don't know. This should disqualify you. Yes, this should disqualify you. Yes, because you are doing first, what first, man? I tell you something. Yes, this is disqualifying you, and now the bot price money winner will become this guy here, Puska Roy. Yes, because that is not okay here. Yes, for doing thousands of comments is not the way how it works. Yes, so Puska Roy is the guy who is getting the bot price money. Yes, and that is a sad story that I have to see that you are posting here and doing the comments here so often. And also this one here, Husam, you don't need to do the comments like this. Yes, because when I discover also here, what is this here? Yes, what is this? That is not the way how it works. I will think about some other bot price money giving away. Yes, not anymore like a comment stuff because you are abusing this. Most probably I'm asking something else the next time. Okay. Yes, you are creating your future. It's your fault. If I have to change something, it's your fault. So take the consequences. So easy. Like on everything else also too. So what do we have here? Okay, that are the last videos of the BOTT Price Action Indicator. Okay, so that was this one. And now we jump into the next topic, and that is this one. For those one, and again, please open the description before you ask me something. Where do you find the BOTT Price Action Guide? You find the link in the description. The BOTT Price Action Guide contains illustrations, no explanations. There's the explanation you have to get out of the videos. This is a red pass through the price action stuff. Here are all the concepts explained which you need, all the candlestick patterns, all the chart patterns. Here you see the continuation patterns, the no rejection trading setup continuation ones. Right? And here you see the reversal ones. These are concepts which are working like a charm. You find the link in the description. The BOTT Price Action Guide, yes, is a guide. It's not nothing more. It's only a guide. Has the illustrations. Here you see also where to trade in the specific chart patterns, the specific concepts. Yes, here you see the patterns, and here you see also one of the oldest ever done concepts, the highest probability trading setup as a continuation, and the fake breakout stuff here. Okay, that is a BOTT Price Action Guide. You find the link in the description. If you scroll down, you find also the BOTT Price Action Bible. The BOTT Price Action Guide Bible, you find the link in the description too, is the holy grail. This book will make you money because it has made money so many. Yes, these are the concepts which are used in the BOTT Price Action Indicator. Yes, and this book is given in the BOTT Mentorship program too, because you need a good book to read. And this book contains illustrations and explanations. Yes, and is the holy grail. You can find the link in the description. Here are all the stuff explained which you need to know. Yes, how to trade the specific patterns. Yes, where the entry point is, where the support and resistance levels are, what the pattern psychology is, and what the criteria are. This book is making you money for sure. Yes, if you study it, because only books which you read can help you. So, and then obviously in conjunction with the BOTT Mentorship Program Self-Study Modules Video Pack 1 for the beginner, Video Pack 2 for the medium one, Video Pack 3 for the advanced ones, and Video Pack 4 for the nearly pros. Here in the BOTT Price Action Bible, I show you the concepts. In the video packs based on the trades of my BOTT Mentorship Program students, I show you how to trade them, in what kind of market condition, and yes, how to execute the trades, yes, what you should do, what you should look for, what you should avoid, and yes, and all this kind of stuff. Yes, when you scroll down, you find the other ones, yes, the Video Pack 2 for the medium one, Video Pack 3 for the advanced ones, and Video Pack 4 for the nearly pros. Yes, that are the video packs in conjunction with the Bible are making you money for sure. Yes, and you will learn to become a trader. If you can keep the money is a different style, because you need, for the keeping the money, you need the right mindset. I see this again and again. Most of the traders are demo kings, yes, but on real accounts they are failing, yes, because they don't have the mindset. If you want to become the right mindset, get the right mindset, you need to join the BOTT Mentorship Program. The BOTT Mentorship Program is not available anymore for long. I tell you this immediately, yes, because the last students get propelled out, and before the last students get out of the BOTT Mentorship Program, I will close the doors already, and the time is coming. After 4 years, it's nearly closed. Yes, if you want to get into the BOTT Mentorship Program, you have to hurry. You need to go through the application process. Yes, because only scammers are accepting people only because they are applying. Yes, I want to know if you are able to become a consistently profitable trader, because I have no time to waste. And so many of you get rejected through the application process because they don't show me the right attitude. Yes, because all of you want to get in heaven, yes, but nobody wants to die. Yes, and that is a problem. Yes, that is a problem, because you want something, but you are not willing to do that what is necessary to become and to get there. Yes, and that is the sad story, yes, of so many traders. And then the BOTT Price Action Indicator. I tell this again. It's not about only that we can buy it. Yes, the last slots are available, but it's also gone. Yes, and slots are gone, and yes, and if you want to get it, you need not only the money, you need only luck to get one of those one who get the BOTT Price Action Indicator, because also there the doors will be closed soon. Yes, so don't miss the opportunity to get it. Yes, because this indicator will be not available for the public. Yes, this indicator is only for an exclusive group. Yes, and it will stay like this. Yes, it will be never for the whole public, because the BOTT Price Indicator has too huge potential. So for those one who want to get it, yes, send me an email with the subject BOTT Indicator, yes, and then wait, and don't send me 2,000 emails, yes, with the subject BOTT Indicator. It will not make it better for you. Yes, much worse, I will put you in the last position. Yes, because you are a kindergarten. Yes, and I don't want users who are in the kindergarten. Yes, okay, understand this? So send me one email, yes, and that should be enough. So and then yes, and then if you are lucky, you are lucky. If you are not lucky, yeah, you are not lucky. So then that was this one. Then those one who wants a video about climbing up the ladder and climbing down the ladder, send me an email with a subject video. Yes, a 7-minute video how to read the trend like a pro, where the videos are based on. For those one who wants a win ratio simulator, send me an email with the subject win ratio. That is this one here. And then those one here, this one, and those one, yes, and those one who want the hands on the BOTT money management tool. Let me show you this. The BOTT money management tool, this is this one here. Yes, let me see this, yes. So that is this one. Sorry. So what's going on here? Yes, this one here. So yes, here, initial capital. That should be only a percentage of your portfolio, not the whole balance, okay? Then you put here how many trades you will do. Here you want how many trades would be in the money, and then you say the payout percentage, yes, of the broker, and then you say here calculate, and then you get exactly your bet size and how many trades. yes, what would be the expected profit, yes, and return, and all this kind of stuff. What should be your winning ratio? Yes, on 5, 3 out of 5, your winning ratio should be 60%, and then you can go through it. Here you can write also your description. Here you can say that you have a losing trade. Here you can say that you have another win. And when you're doing this nice, yes, at the end it will tell you if you have won or not. Yes, that is a BOTT money management tool. If you want it, send me an email with the subject MM, and then you can get it. So now that was the whole introduction of all the stuff, and now we are jumping into the topic, and the topic will be yes, what I have prepared for you. For you, I have prepared this kind of trading psychology part. Yes, let me show you this. Yes, that is the EISENHOWER matrix, and that is this one. How to become consistently profitable trader by understanding the EISENHOWER matrix. So the EISENHOWER matrix is also known about the 4 quadrants. Yes, but I want to go much more deeper into it, because the most people and the most sites are always telling the same stuff, you know. They are copying that because they didn't run through the stuff, so they don't know the stuff, yes, and so they are copying only the stuff, yes, and don't telling you something new. They're telling always the same stuff, yes, and I try to give you now the whole information about this, because I'm using this EISENHOWER matrix too, yes, only that I'm not doing it like a list, yes. I'm not using it like a list, that I do this 4 quadrants, yes, this one here, important and urgent, important, not urgent, not important, not urgent, and urgent, not important. I don't do this. I have this in the mind, yes. I know exactly what is important, what is not important, yes, what is urgent, what is not urgent, yes, and that is how I manage my priority, yes, because you cannot trade, you cannot manage your time, yes, because everybody of us has only the time which we have, mostly for 24 hours. A few hours goes away for sleeping, some hours goes away for eating, some other hours goes away for something else. So at the end, we have only a limited time. The only thing what you can do, and that is what I have explained, sorry, 1 second. So the only thing what you can do is priority management, and that is where the EISENHOWER matrix is helping you. So let me show you. Priority management. It allows you to set your tasks, rating them. You have to rate the tasks which you have to do by urgency and importance, and gives you a clear vision of long-term goals. So that is, you need to classify everything what you do, yes, in urgent and important, yes, how important and how urgent, yes. So, and then priorities management is the practice of focusing time, that what everybody of us has only limited one, yes, and resources, which we also have only limited, yes, towards work, projects and tasks that impact high value projects, yes, or in this case your trades, yes, accounts and long-term goals. You want to become a trader, yes, you need to focus the time and the resources you have to the specific fields. So then they have these 4 quadrants, yes, they call this 4 quadrants, but I don't care about this, because they're only two, that in general there are only 3, yes, and you have to care only about 2, yes, and that is this one here and this one here, yes. The other 2 are the problem, yes. That is that 2 here, yes, the urgent and not important, and the not important, not urgent are the cause. They are the cause why you are not a consistently profitable trader. This one and this one. This one here is a cure, which will make you a consistently profitable trader. This one here is that one which will handle the symptoms, yes, which you need to handle. Okay, so now let me go a little bit more deeper into it. The first one is the important and urgent one. So, the important urgent ones are short-term problems, yes, that are the problems which are you have to face day by day, yes, which are urgent, which you have to handle for example, how can I say this, that are paying bills, something like this, yes. Paying bills are urgent, yes, and they are important. So you have to handle it before you can go on long-term stuff. If you have no money, for example, yes, then the first thing is it's important and urgent that you get money. That means you get a job or something like this, yes. That is important and urgent stuff. That are the symptoms based on the problem, on the things which this kind of stuff has caused. Yes, you get the symptom, and the symptom is that you need to do this. Yes, tasks that require immediate attention. Yes, and action, most probably too. Yes, after the attack, get it done. Do it. That is how you solve this. Yes, the important and urgent stuff. You need to do it. You have to get it done. That is the symptoms of the causes which this too has caused. Okay. The turning point, listen, the turning point for better or worse in an acute, yes, or current situation. The stages in a sequence of events at which the trend of all future events is set. This kind of stuff are, if you handle it, yes, not creating any kind of future problems anymore, yes. If you don't handle this stuff, which needs immediate attention, yes, then you will get obviously much worse situations, yes, because you are not taking care about this immediate the stuff which is important and urgent, yes. So in this case, that are the symptoms, and when the symptoms are applying, you need the medication, okay, immediately, yes. If you have some kind of bacterial infection, you need antibiotica immediately, yes, and then you have to take it. You have to do this, and that is what I mean, yes. The things which are important and urgent has to be done. That are handling the symptoms. So the cure is, and that is what most of you don't understand, that are the things which are important but not urgent. So, and that are things which, which will for example, focus on the long-term stuff. Yes, you want to become a consistently profitable trader, so you need to put the schedule on. For example, reading the chart. Yes, doing your trades, and so on. That are things which you can schedule, which bring you closer. Yes, which bring you closer to your goal, but which are not so that to be done immediately. For example, if you have to put out the waste, yes, that is a thing which is important, urgent to get this out of the mind. Yes, you have to do this. You put the waste out of and then you can care through the schedule and plan. Yeah, because that is an important thing. Most of you do not plan and do not schedule anything. Yes, you have not even you have no plan or schedule stuff. You are doing the things when you want to do them. So tasks, what are that? That's a long-term strategic goal. Yes, that is how you plan to become a consistently profitable trader. Yes, a long-term strategy is a comprehensive plan. Yes, for a trader that defines goals for the future, setting and completing goals to achieve on an overarching goal, on a higher level goal. Yes, that should be scheduled because of high chance of procrastination. Why should these things? Because it's not urgent, yes, but it is important because that is a cure of your problems, yes. You have not the necessity. There's a high chance, yes, because it's not urgent, because most of you are moving their back only, the 4 steps only, they are moving their yes, only when it's urgent, when the things are already burning. Yes, they don't move before the things are not burning. That's because the things has to be burned. That is the reason why people are coming to me. Benjamin, yes, I blocked my account and I have no money now. Yes, what should you do? What should I do for you now? The things, you come to me when the things are burning. That is the problem, because most of you are moving there only 5 minutes before 12. Yes, and they don't plan and don't schedule anything. They do everything like this here. That has required immediate action, and then they do the things which are not even important. They do everything. They are not having the view, and that's the reason why this video is coming now, because everything else is based on each other. Yes, and this one, you need the other parts of the trading psychology part, yes, to understand, yes, what is important. So, and now we are coming to the cause, the problem of all your problems. It's not that you have no money. That is the no having no money. It's a symptom of the causes, and the causes are these two quadrants: the urgent, not important, and the not important, not urgent. Number one is urgent, not important. That are the distractions and interruptions in your daily life. Everything what you do, yes, you have the cell phone, and the cell phone is ringing, and you are interrupted, distracted, interrupted. Do you ever heard my cell phone, yes, ringing or something while I'm doing here these videos? No, because I shut it off. The same thing is with while I'm doing the trades. When I'm doing my trades, I have the cell phone shut it off or on silence so that it's not interrupting. The whole world can crash. Everything can come down. Yes, the Godfather itself can come down and asking me for help. I'm busy. I have no time. That is why so many are contacting me via email, via Discord channel, via every kind of way. Yes, but at the point is this: why do I not reply? Because I have the EISENHOWER matrix in action. So look at this. Urgent, not important. That is one of the causes which are creating a lot of problems for you. The distraction interruptions. You cannot imagine how much time it's taking from you. It's taking so much time. Yes, and this time could be invested much better only by thinking about yourself. What you should do with this kind of stuff, which is important but not important, what is urgent and not important. Avoid it. Push back and say no. Say no to those kind of things. Avoid them. And how something or someone that directs one attention away from a desired area of focus. The area of focus is this. This is the problem, the cure of your problems. That is a long-term way. Yes, that is taking away, yes, your attention from this to something what is completely. So look, what are the most distractors and interrupters? Mobile phone and texting. 55% of the time you are on the mobile phone and texting. Yes. 41% is the internet. That is a little bit generic. Yes. But most of you are not using it to to get some knowledge or something. Most of you are using it only to spend time on it. Gossip. Yes. The talk. Chit-chat talk. Yeah. 39%. Social media, one of the most time wasters on the earth. At the ancient times, we created pyramids. Now we are spending time on social media, yes, and creating nothing. So that is it, yes. That is number one, the distractions and interruptions. That it can be that there is a texting, a mobile phone call, yes, which is important, yes. That can happen. Yes. So in this case, it's not so like this that everything is bad. Also, the internet can be used to learn something, to go further, to personal growing. So it's not always that it's almost urgent. Yes. But when they contact you, when you get a message, they create some kind of urgency. But at the end, it's not important. Yes. It's not important. The same thing is like the news. They are not important. Yes. So. And the last one is the fourth quadrant. That is those two you have to avoid as much as possible. This is you have to avoid completely. That is what you have to push back. That is where you have to say no. Most of you are not able to say no. Yes, that means when somebody wants something from you, you have to understand that you have a priority. Yes, because you have not unlimited time today. You have not unlimited time also if you think, but you are going to die someday, okay? The next one, and that is the most worst case one, that is the time wasting activities. And because most of you are master in wasting time, yes? And that is the things which are not important and not urgent. And I see this mostly on the Discord channel of the BOTT Price Action Indicator, yes? People are hanging around the damn whole day, yes? Hanging around there and caring about non-important things and not urgent ones, and wasting their time there. Tasks that are neither important nor urgent. Ask yourself, yes, is this important? Is this urgent? No, no, eliminate it, delete it. Something or someone that causes you to spend a lot of time by doing something that is unnecessary or does not produce any benefit. What benefit? Benefit here, yes, long-term benefit for the cure, because you want to cure the disease. You want to cure the problems which you have, the money problems and all this kind of stuff. Yes, that needs, and it's not all, again, it's not only related on money and on trading. You can use it also for life. Yes, because most of you are procrastinating because they don't schedule and plan the way they get out of the stuff. Yes, a long-term solution. They are hanging here. They are so busy by caring about the symptoms that they forget this one. And then, because they are getting nearly to burnout, because if you have so much important and urgent stuff, yes, then you get burnt out. Yes, because you are always doing tasks which request and require immediate action. You cannot stop. You have to do them. You have to pay the bills. You have to do this. You have to do this. You have to do this. What the hell? At the end, you have burnout. Yes, and that's a problem. Yes, and then you cannot focus here on this kind of stuff, which is long-term stuff. Yes, because you don't get to the point. Yes, and then obviously so much of you have a problem which are caring more about the others than themselves. That means instead of taking the broom and cleaning up in front of their own house, they're cleaning up the houses of the other ones, yes, because it's too hard to get through the own stuff, yes, because they want, they don't want to care about this because it's too much stuff in front of them, too much waste in front of them, so they don't want to care about this, so they care about others. But this is here. Yes, this is here. That is the cause why you are not consistently profitable. Yes, because you are hanging here, creating only more cost, yes, and don't handling the symptoms. This should be done really fast. Yes, so that you can focus on this. Yes, because when you take always the symptoms and you are creating and you are hanging here and you are doing only this kind of stuff, this two, yes, which are creating symptoms. Yes, because you procrastinate, you don't do this stuff, yes, then you never get here, yes, where you get really to the way, because at the end you have so much stuff always to handle, okay? That was this one. Next week I give you another mind-blowing video. I have already a good idea of that, what I will give you, that will make you understand why so many of you, yes, are still struggling. Okay, that was this one. I think the EISENHOWER matrix, the 4 quadrants, yes, of the priority management were important. You need always to ask yourself, and that is what I'm asking myself, yes. When I'm doing my trades, it's like this, important and urgent, yes, because doing the trades are important and urgent because they are my income, yes. So it's important and urgent, I do them. So when I get, for example, the messages on Discord, is something like this. Urgent, not important. Yes? Because at the end, it is urgent for the person who is contacting me, but it's not important. Emails, yes? Emails are urgent, not important. Yes? What is not important, not urgent? Watching television, yes? Playing games, as long as you don't have this kind of stuff to handle it. It's waste of time, yes? Hanging around and doing nothing. Yes, it's waste of time if you can allow yourself, if you have done this. Yes, if you have done this, yes, especially this one, you can do this sometimes, yes, because it's not like this that you have to become a robot, yes, but you need to get the habit, yes, to put the things in urgent, important, or not important, not urgent, yes, so that you can clarify what you can do now, what you could do later, and what you should avoid at cost. This one here, yes, you should try to avoid them, yes, and that is also pushback is saying no. That means at the moment I'm not available. Yes, because people are thinking only because we are online, yes, we should be always available. No, I'm having other things to do. Mostly in this kind of category, if I'm not answering your emails, when I'm not answering your Discord messages, yes, it means I'm hanging around here. Yes, I'm not hanging around here. You are hanging around here most of the time. I'm hanging around here in the symptoms and the cure, yes, because I know if I don't care about this and I'm hanging around here, yes, that creates more causes, more problems, more, how can I say this, more longer queues and all this kind of stuff. A devil cycle, okay? Really horrible cycle, okay. That's this one. I think I have clarified this, and you need, because I could tell you what should be your important and urgent stuff for trading, yes, but the thing is this, because I don't know your level and I don't know how you open you are already for this, yes, I cannot tell you what you should do, yes, you need to clarify and putting the stuff in the right order, what you do, yes, what could be important and urgent, what can be important not urgent, and this one which you put here, that is what you should try. This one to push back, yes, and say no if it's possible, but not all of them, yes, you have to clarify this also, because there can't be always things which can be important, yes, and then those ones which are not important, yes, and not urgent, try not to eliminate completely, yes, or delete it, yes, but this is like this, try to, yes, to choose yourself and be on control of it, yes, because at the end, surely there has to be some distraction, but most of you are doing too much distraction and too much time-wasting activities, yes, and what is time-wasting activity? Time-wasting activities are activities which are not contributing to your end goal. The cure, yes, the long term, but most of you are not having any kind of long-term goal, yes, and that's the reason why they are hanging around here. Okay, got it? So that was this one. So now we are going into the next topic, and the next topic is how to read the trend like a pro based on the fake breakouts and the pressure reading. And I have prepared this one here for you. So let's see. So first of all, this video. This video is the most important one. This is how the price is climbing up the ladder and climbing down. These videos which I'm doing are based on this video here. So if you want this video, send me an email with the subject video. Yes, then I send you this 7-minute video which will explain you how the price is climbing up and climbing down the ladder and what happens in between. Yes, here, consolidation area. Yes, consolidation area in between. So that is what I have prepared for you today. That is part number 7. Oh, we are already on part number 7. That was 6. That is 7. So, and here we have. Let me go through some of those kind of trades. Here, this is a trade which has done a student. The put option here from the student, I will talk first of all of those one, yes, was not bad at all. Yes, the student which has done this trade, the trade was not bad at all. Yes, the problem was his entry point. Yes, after this kind of weak candlestick with the same size upper and lower shoulder in form of an exhaustion candle, closer, yes, to the 100 EMA than to the 200 EMA, you should expect a retracement candle. Then try to get at least into this trade. Yes, at the 100 EMA and using the 100 EMA as a resistance level to do a put option. Yes, if you want to do this, but don't do a put option when you are entering at the closing price of the previous candlestick. Here in this case, it would be that what I have explained already so often in the last weeks, a call option. the solution, yes, because this candlestick is still closer to the 100 EMA than to the 200. We have here also the 150 EMA in between, which is also acting as a support and resistance level. So the call option would have been a better solution. Other trades which you could have done really good would have been the put option here, because this candlestick got rejected from the 20 and the 50 EMA. Was a weak candlestick, was not breaking any kind of key level before. Put option, because we have a trend change into a major downtrend on higher time frame, because the 20 is going to cross the 50. That was the put. This call option, that is the only way when you have to do a call option after a doji, when the level is stopping exactly. So I have now, you can see here, I have a phone call now, and I'm doing the video, yes? What do you think what I'm doing now? I'm doing this like this, and I'm continuing now, and I'm not answering the phone call. So we have here a doji, yes, and this doji, yes, this doji, after this doji, that is the only way when you do a call option. We have a major uptrend still here, no EMAs were crossing, and then we have here the doji, and this doji is stopping exactly at the 100. That is the only reason when you do a call, because I see always that so many are doing reversal trades on doji, yes, after a doji, yes, or continuation trade after without any key level, yes, without any reason. That's the point. So the next one, this put option was also a good point, because this candlestick stopped at the middle Bollinger Band, was a huge candlestick. Put option exhaustion candle, yes, after the breakout. So then that was another trade what a student has done. That was this one here. So that was this one, and he has done a call option after this fake breakout. So we have a major downtrend, the alignment of the EMA. We have here this breakout, yes, of the fake breakout of the 50 EMA. The problem here is this. Yes, this could be that the lower shadow showing some kind of buying pressure. But that is what most of you are doing. They are giving the wicks too much attention. And they forget that the wicks are only part of the candlestick pattern and not, so important like the key level itself and the trend. So we have a major downtrend. We have a huge candlestick. This candlestick was a fake breakout. It was a fake breakout of the 50 EMA, not for fun. Because if we would be still in an uptrend, it would have not broken the 50 EMA. You know, the 20 EMA is weaker than the 50. The 50 is weaker than the 100. The 100, yes, is weaker than the 200. That means if a candlestick is breaking through it, yes, and what I see always is that most of you are doing the trades against the trend. So, evening star retracement. You see consolidation area here, okay? Breakout, fake breakout of the 50 EMA, retracement. Put option on the next one. Process of elimination. This candlestick is not breaking the low of the previous one, and we have this one, the 20 EMA as a support level to do a call. Then we have here again process of elimination. This candlestick is not breaking through the 100 EMA and not breaking through the high of this wick. Yes, that means put option because this candlestick has not broken through the 100 EMA. Here we have BOTT sure short 4. Breakout of the 20 EMA. You do what? The continuation. Yes, the BOTT sure short 4. I have not written this here, but I need to do this so that you get it. Because most of you are trading the BOTT sure short 4 completely wrong. Yes, so I have to show you this kind of examples here now. BOTT sure short 4. So then after this again, BOTT sure short 4, only that this was BOTT sure on the EMAs. This is on the deviation. Breakout of the deviation, major downtrend, put on the next one. Exhaustion candle, big, smaller, bigger. Call option exhaustion candle, yes, because most of you don't even know how to trade the exhaustion candle EXR. So then we have here a doji. This candlestick didn't broke this level with determination. We use this kind of high of this shaven head as a resistance level. We have a consolidation area. Put option after the bullish one. Yes, that is also something what most of you don't understand. Put off after bullish one and call after bearish one. So, put option on the next one here. If you want to do a call option on this candlestick, yes, then you should enter below this consolidation area, the support level. Yes, but because there is still place and space between it, yes, you should wait that the candlestick is getting closer to it. So after this candlestick, yes, which is also a process of elimination because it's stopping at the support level, you enter into a call option on the next one. Here we have a support, the neckline of this kind of pattern, the double top. Yes, here the retest of the 100 EMA. Put option after this huge candlestick. Yes, most of the time when it's breaking a lot of key levels, it's not the case to do a put because you can expect it's going to good. But here the confluence is telling you, yes, and the major downtrend, that it would be a good decision to do a put option already before. Then you don't do a call. Then you don't do a call because you got the fake breakout. Because you do a call if this candlestick would have stopped at the 50 EMA. Then it would have been a call because then it would have shown you and give you a confirmation that we have still an uptrend. Else not, okay? And that's the reason why the trade got out of the money here for my student. That's because he has done a trend continuation because he was trading it like it would be ranging market. But this breakout was giving you the sign, or him, the sign that it was not ranging market because this 50 EMA got broken, yes, not for fun. So, and that is what I call always common sense. We have this kind of candlestick which is showing buying pressure. Let me show, that was the trade which my student has done. Here he has traded this kind of call. So I tell you something, this kind of call here, somebody who has watched this video here, how price is climbing up and climbing down the ladder, yes? What do you see here? You see the same behavior. The same behavior what I have shown here. Climbing up and climbing down the ladder. What is this here? Here it is nothing else than climbing down the ladder. Look, it looks like this. It's the same thing like this what I have shown you here. Yes, it's climbing. We are going below the 2 deviation. We are going below the 1 deviation. And here in between, what do we have here? We have consolidation area. The same stuff what I have shown you there. And the student, what is doing? The student is doing a call. Yes, it's doing a job. It's doing a call. It's doing a call. No, it's consolidation area. So it's an MS50 put option instead. Yes, because this candlestick didn't broke this level with determination. So then we have here put option after this one. Call option after the 3 black crows. Put option because this candlestick didn't broke the 1 deviation upper Bollinger Band. Yes, then we have this kind of concept where this candlestick was a shaven head. This candlestick is stopping at this level here. Here we have a pullback. Yes, so it's a key level. Then you do a put option. Then we have again 3 black crows. But you don't trade the 3 black crows and the 3 white soldiers blindly. You trade it only with confirmation. Here you have 3 black crows in confluence. Yes, with the BOTT sure shot 3 and 2. Yes, so you do a call option here. And because this candlestick is confirming that the 50 EMA is acting as a support level, you do a call option on the next one. So then we have this one here. Yes, we have a put option, and you see again, I got a distraction. I got a message, an important message. Yes, but I'm not carrying because I'm completing first this and then I'm caring about that. That is priority management. Most of you would not do this. Most of you, yes, and obviously when I'm opening the door for the dog, it's something different, yes, because the dog, that is urgent and important, because when the dog needs to go somewhere, you don't know what he needs to do. Most probably he has to shit in some angle, yes, so you have to open the door. But the thing is this, that is priority management, yes, that is taking place, it's a habit, okay. So, BOTT sure shot 4 again here. Yes, I don't name it, but it's BOTT sure shot 4 on the trend change on higher time frame into a downtrend with a major uptrend. Okay, so BOTT sure shot 4. Then we have here a pullback to the 50 EMA and using the 50 EMA as a resistance level to do a put. The next one is confirming. That is the same stuff like this. Put option because we are still close to the 50 EMA and using it in the direction of the trend change on higher time frame. Then we have here something what looks like a process of elimination, but the process of elimination has to be traded in the direction of the major trend. So you use again the 50 EMA as a resistance level to do your put. So then we have here the breakout, and here you can do a put option too. You could do also a call option, but the put option is better, yes, because you use the 100 EMA as a resistance level to do a put. After this, we have the fake breakout. This call is that what I have explained the last time. If you have the closing price which is closer to one key level than another, then you do a call. Then after this fake breakout here, you do a call again. Why? Because you have the fake breakout, because you should trade the continuation after the fake breakout. So then we have here this kind of retracement back to key level. Yes, I have shown this so often. Using the 100 EMA as a resistance level to do your put. Breakout. So and that is again, you see, look at this. Look, breakout, and that is again really important. Yeah, so breakout here, because I cannot show you all the opportunities at once. Yes, that is a SS4 again. Yes, here we have SS4. Yeah, breakout of the 200 EMA using the 200 EMA as a resistance. Bam. Yes, put option. Also this one. Yes, there are so many trades. I have not marked them all because it would explode the chart, would mess up. So exhaustion candle call. So MS here, that is something like the MS50. Yes, MS50. MS50. So because this candlestick is stopping at the 50 EMA, this is not breaking through the previous high. Put option. Again, exhaustion candle, retracement, another bearish candlestick, the last tentative of the sellers. Yes, so you do a call option here too, because this candlestick is not breaking through this level with determination. I have explained this in the last videos. Watch them, yes, if you don't get it. So then, 2-bar retracement, sorry, and then again, put option as a trend continuation, not call. Here the student has done a call because he thought, okay, now we have a ranging market, now it will happen a reversal. No, what we have here is still a downtrend, and this here is doing lower lows. It's not doing higher highs. So why the hell do you do a call against a down pointing one deviation lower Bollinger Band? I have explained this again and again and again, and I don't know how often I have to explain this. EMAs which are pointing up, deviations which are pointing up, are acting like a support level. And EMAs, deviations which are pointing down, are acting like a resistance level. Do you get it in your head? Do you get it in your head? I don't know. I'm telling this again and again and again, and it's not getting in your head. I don't know why. So, yeah. So, the next one. The trader has done here a call. Both would have been in the money if the trader would have chosen a good entry point. But he has done a call option, and the entry point was not below the closing price of the previous candlestick. Right? Because you know, after a doji, your entry point should be above or below the closing price of the previous doji, at least. But better it would be if you look for a key level. A pro is looking for a key level, okay? So, he does a call. A put option would have been better. Why? Because we have here also the trend change on higher time frame. Where are we coming from? Have you ever asked yourself where you come from? We are coming from an uptrend. We are going here. First reversal, that's a 2 deviation. Second reversal, that's a 1 deviation. We are climbing down the ladder. We are below, and then we are in a ranging market between the 1 deviation upper and the 1 deviation lower. So, okay, the call option would have been good, sorry, if you would have used the 20 EMA as a support level. But the put option would have been better, because there you don't need a key level, because the previous 3 white soldiers would give you the hint already. okay? So what do we have here? Put option, because of the process of elimination style here, yes? 3 black rows, showing buying pressure, weak candlestick call. This candlestick stopped at key level, advanced SNR level, put option on the next one. Then again, 3 black rows where the lower shadow show bigger than the upper shadow, doing call on the next one. Here we have again the, and let me show, that here, yeah, what the hell? Okay, I cannot do this. Do I have it here? No. Do I have it here? So here, look. Here, this one here. This one is a good call. This is a call which is based on the SS4, only in an uptrend. Yes? SS4, because we have a breakout in form of the morning star, and then you do call using the 20 EMA. But no, the student has not done, yes, has not done this call. He did the call after, because he saw this call, trade which got in the money. He didn't want to miss out the next opportunity, and he has done the trend continuation, yes, because of this, most probably. Okay, so that was this one. The video got long this time. So for those one who have the IQ option payout limitation, yes, or the IQ option OTC market limitation, send me an email with the subject IQ option to my email address boturbotrader@gmail.com. For those one who want to get their hands on the bot indicator, you have to hurry. Yes, send me an email with the subject bot indicator, and then when you are lucky, you get the chance. Yes, for those one who want the investment recovery, send me an email with the subject investment recovery. Then go through the things, information. Please be patient, because there are so many who need this and want this. For those one who want to get into the bot team, the application process is closed at the moment, but it will continue as soon as I have done the other priority stuff. Send me an email with the subject job to my email address boturbotrader@gmail.com to get into the bot team. For those one who have any kind of suggestion for any kind of video, send me an email with the subject, and don't comment them in the comment section. Send me an email with the subject suggestion and explanation what kind of video you need exactly. For those one who want to get yes, who find my stuff somewhere else where people are using, or scammers are using my content to scam other people, innocent people, send me an email with the subject copyright and evidences. Then when I get rid of them, you will get a money reward. For those one who want to get into the BOTT Mentorship program, you have to hurry, because the doors are closed soon. Yes, you have to go through the application process, and if you are not getting rejected, you are ever registered to be my student. Send me an email with the subject BOTT Mentorship program to my email address boturbotrader@gmail.com to start the application process, which is for free. Then for those one who want this video about how to climb up and climb down the ladder, send me an email with the subject video. Yes, and for those one who want the win ratio simulator, which is this one, yes, send me an email with the subject win ratio. And for those one who want the bot money management tool, yes, which is this one, yes, 10. And that should be only a percentage, 5 trades, 3, yes, at 80% payout, bam, yes, then you have everything what you need, yes, the trades and everything. And when you are, yes, not doing the trades good, yes, it can happen that you lost, yes, so easy, and then you lost the money. Okay, that was it already. If you like this video, do a like. If you didn't subscribe to my channel, subscribe to my channel now. Yes, I have shown you how it works with the subscribing. And if you have something to say, or you want to win only the BOTT price money, and I will most probably think about this, how I will change it soon. Yes, because that's what is going on there. Is I don't like this, or this kind of spammers. Yes, then comment below my videos. And if you have, and yes, and that was it. And in this case, like always, stay safe. Yes, and bye-bye.